Well, I used to be a barista at a movie theater, so I spent a lot of time with coffee, and I really love it. And everyone talks about how great the Keurig is in your dorm room, but it's really not that great. So I figured I'd put it to the test. So what I did is worked with coffee, the best smelling project you'll ever have, right? So I took 2 brands of coffee, Starbucks and 8 o'clock, regular roast, and I brewed them with 2 different methods, the Keurig and the French press. So what we're looking at when we analyze these are antioxidants, which help prevent cancers and various other things by preventing free radicals from forming. So right here we have a sample analysis of my HPLC data. Here's our wonderful caffeine peak and our chlorogenic acid. So when we get to taking this into the numbers, we can compare the French press and Keurig directly. So the French press shows the 3 different grind types as they should be. So coarse should give you the least extraction, fine should give you the most extraction just because you're able to get more of the oils off of it. So as we see, we're going to increase as we go from coarse to fine, and then we get to the wonderful Keurig. The Keurig's not going to do that at all. The Keurig is inconsistent because it only keeps temperature constant instead of other variables like water pressure. So what I found is coffee lovers are right, the French press is the better one. And if you want a constant source of antioxidants in your diet, you're going to go with the French press.